Okay, so today we will be constructing a triangle with three given sides. What we're going to be needing for this construction is a ruler, a compass with a pencil and another pencil, just so that we don't have to take out this one. We're going to need our protractor afterwards, long after when we are finished. Alright, so the instruction says to construct a triangle ABC, given that AB is equal to 7.8 centimeters, BC is equal to 5.4 centimeters, and AC is equal to 6.2 centimeters. Now, the first thing we want to do is to draw a sketch just to see what our triangle is going to look like. So you can just draw any old triangle. It doesn't have to be perfect, because all we really want is an idea of what it's going to look like. So we give our labels. Let's say, now let's put A here, B here, and C here. Alright, so AB is going to be 7.8 centimeters, and BC is going to be 5.4 centimeters, and AC is going to be 6.2 centimeters. So we're going to be using this sketch as our guide as to what it is that we're going to do. So we take our ruler, and I just want to put it at the bottom of the page so that we have a lot of space to do what we have to do. And so we take a ruler, we draw a straight line, and along the straight line we just choose any point to be point A. Alright, so our point A is here. We take our compass, and then we're going to open our compass to 7.8 centimeters. So we take our compass, we measure 7.8 centimeters, and then at point A we place the point of our compass here, and then we scribe a tiny arc, cutting the line to show that that point now will be point B. So point B. All right, so then we're going to create point AC now, and that would be 6.2 centimeters. So we measure 6.2 on our ruler, and one of the things, we're placing it at point A. So the 6.2 is going to be from A to C. So one of the things that you want to do is you want to make the arc big enough so that when we create the point, the line BC, that it will cut this arc. So you want to make a big enough arc so that it has enough space to cut the arc. Now notice I'm making one swipe for the arc. I'm not going back and forth, because the going back and forth is going to make it messy, and we don't want that. Alright, so then from B to C is going to be 5.4 centimeters. So we're going to measure on our ruler 5.4 centimeters. Yeah, about there. So then, because it's BC, we're going to go from B. At point B here, we're going to place our ruler, our compass, and then we're going to cut the previous arc. Right? So then that point where the two arcs meet, that point here would be point C. So we take our ruler and we draw a straight line going from A to C. One line, that's all we need. And then we do the same thing for BC. So going from B to C, one line, that's all we need. Now another part of the question says measure and show the angle, the size of the angle CAB. So that angle here is what we need to measure. So this is where our protractor now comes in, where we can measure that angle. And this looks to be about 44 degrees. That's 44 degrees. Now one of the things that you always want to do is don't forget to put in your labels. So from B to C is 5.4 centimeters, from A to C is 6.2 centimeters, and from A to B is 7.8 centimeters. And we always want to use our ruler to check over these answers. So from A to B should be 7.8, which is accurate, and from A to C should be 6.2, which is also accurate, and from B to C should be 5.4, which is also accurate. Now our finished product should look neat, should look tidy and beautiful. Notice how sexy my lines are. They're thin. Notice how my arcs, they're not 3 arcs, there's not 4 arcs, there's one line, one smooth curve, and that's what we need. And that's it.